Today I want to talk about interior wire routing. All of us have some kind of electronic device. We don't want wires hanging all over the place. All the different ways that I've found to run wires through the FJ Cruiser. So I ran this USB-C cable. This pops off out and up. You can easily push up the bottom of this. So this, it's difficult to get out. There's this screw and this screw, 5 snaps on the bottom and the back. They're in there really tight. Pull down on the headliner a little bit where you can tuck wires up there. Getting behind the radio, there's these 2 Phillips screws here and here, but these are covered by this. There's 2 Phillips screws. There's like one there, one there. You pretty much pull in an upward direction, and then this just pops off. Then you have 10mm bolts that are around the radio. This whole center console, it's really easy to remove. You can see I have wires run in this channel all the way across. You can just tuck the wires underneath the edge there. And those 2 wires come back here. I fed the wire through here. I have wires where that grommet was right there. That's another good location to feed wires in through.